Welcome. In front of me is an Amazon Fire HD8, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's just open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to device options. I'm gonna scroll down to backup and restore. Oh, not restore. There we go. Reset to factory default. That's what we're looking for. Confirm it by selecting reset. And it's gonna now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process surprisingly doesn't take very long on this device, so about a minute or two at tops to finish up. So I'll be back once it's finished, just to kind of close up the video. And as you can see, the process is finished. So from here you can set it up however you want. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.